don't know. Maybe I should just dash along the way up there. Maybe that'll be what I'll do. I'm scheduled. It say it's busy now, but you know how it is. Like, it could be 1 or 2 orders up there, and it's telling me it's busy because it want me to log in up there. First order of the day. Walmart got me out here delivering a TV. Who the hell they think I am, boy? You know what? It's all good. The customer tip good, so guess what? I guess they watching TV tonight. You should not be doing Doordash full time. If you are making all your money with Doordash, you need to download some more apps, okay? Now, it's okay if it's, giving you most of your earnings right now. But long term, Doordash is trash, and they will kick you to the curb without a second thought. I'm about to go do some Doordash right now. I've been out for like 4 hours. I've been using other apps, making that money, spreading it out a little bit. I'm not about to give Doordash all my time. As many times as they deactivated me, no, it's not happening. Sorry I haven't made a video in a couple days. I've been running up this bag. Hit that like button and that subscribe button on your way in. Stop playing with me. I'm driving down the highway right now. Just got back from knocking out a couple Spark orders. You know what I'm saying? I turned on Uber Eats down there. They was trying to send me upside down offers. Even clicked on Instacart for a second. And I seen a few good offers on Instacart, I'm not gonna lie. But they was trying to have me go to some stores I'm not quite familiar with. So I said, you know what? I'm good. I'm good. It's looking like I ain't finna be able to do no DoorDash at all now. Look, it's gray. It's talking about schedule. They not giving no dash now. This is absolutely crazy. I got gold status, 84% acceptance rate, completion rate at 97. Like, we got the stats. Like, what's going on? This is crazy. Priority access to Dash Now. You will be prioritized to start dashing when Dash Now is available. You see it right there. So what's going on? Like, it's 4 o'clock p.m. People hungry. It should be some Dash Now. I don't know what's going on. This is crazy. If they don't give me no Dash Now, I'm not finna dash. This is crazy. This is why you should only be giving DoorDash a little bit of your time. Because even if you're planning on going to work, if you ain't got no schedule, it ain't no guarantee. And honestly, at this point, if you do schedule yourself preemptively, you are doing the right thing. But even then, like, the money just ain't there to kind of like bank on those earnings. So, it's not like you can go out, work 4 hours and guaranteed make $100 with good tipping customers. So even that 4-hour block that you may schedule, it may not even be profitable. So I'm like, look, I ain't finna waste my time scheduling. I already got the acceptance rate high. What am I scheduling for? Now look, Wood River just opened up. It's busy over in Wood River. I could slide up there real quick, but I'm gonna see what's going on down here first because you know what? They got a 5:30 to 6. I'm gonna schedule myself 5:30 to 6 up there just to see, just to see if I really just like as a backup plan at this point. Yeah, just as a backup plan, because it's 4. That's still an hour and a half from now. So I'm finna try to see if I can get on over here. If not, I'm gonna switch on Walmart Spark or something to get me an order at this Walmart or this Sam's Club, Home Depot, something. But this is what you gotta do to keep your money coming in every hour. Log in up there. But I could get that one order. It could be a bad offer, and then I still could be sitting. So I'm gonna wait just a little bit, see if we got a spot that opens up down here where I'm currently sitting at already. That seemed like the better option for me. Imagine you just sitting at home. Like, you know what? I'm gonna turn on DoorDash. I'm gonna go work me a couple hours, make a couple dollars. You turn the app on, boom. This is the first order you get right here. Are you taking this? We got $2.25 for 2 miles at Taco Hut. Absolutely crazy. First and foremost, why DoorDash can't pay inappropriate base pay? Or better yet, I got an even better one for you. Check out this offer right here. We got $41.35 for 28.8 miles. You got a total of 5 stops on this. Look at this. I ain't never seen an order like this in my life. What's the estimated time? They say delivered by 6 p.m. This offer was sent at 2:47 p.m. You got 3 Walgreens orders, 4 PetSmart pickups, and one of them got 54 items on it. So I was wrong. It's a total of 7 customers on this order right here. This is absolutely crazy. So you telling me between 7 customers, you getting an average of, you're not getting $2 per mile on the mileage, and then on the customer side, you barely getting what, $5 per customer? Man, That's not looking good. These DoorDash offers be absolutely crazy. Got $80.50 for 65.5 miles. 10 stop. This is absolutely crazy. This order was sent at 11:55 in the morning. Delivered by 3:50. They giving you 4 hours to deliver this. So the miles to money ratio ain't there. You barely getting 1-to-1, and that's not even counting your drive back miles, because your ending destination is not where you starting at. 10 stops. So between 10 customers, you're gonna be picking up sports items and Petco repeat customer deliveries, and those usually never have a tip. This is an order I would never take right here, because I'm pretty sure in those 4 hours, especially if I'm multi-app, and I can do way better than $80. And that's not even, you know, if you're making $20 per hour and you're not spending gas and costing yourself wear and tear in your vehicle, that's one thing. But to make $80 in 4 hours, and you driving, basically 70 miles, and you got all of these safety concerns and risks and question marks, I don't think that that's worth it, because that $80 is really, probably about $53 after you subtract gas, maintenance, wear and tear, and the cost of you maybe potentially having something going on between the course of that 4 hours. So yeah, I wouldn't take that offer. For me, I would at least need, 130 to take an offer like this, because then you at least got a little cushion as far as your time and buffering everything out. Because for $80, anything go wrong, and now you just lost money on this trip. Now, we do a lot of showing bad offers on this channel, but let's show you a good payout for once. We got a Buffalo Wild Wings order, $11 base pay. This probably was a catering or a large order. $60 payout on the tip, totaling $70, $71.82. Check that out. That's a nice payout on the DoorDash offer right there. If you're a new DoorDash driver, never take offers like this if you're trying to make money. We got $2 for 1.3 miles at the Fuzzy Taco Shop, and it's gonna stay right there. We is not taking that. Absolutely not. And then right after that, we got another one, $11 for 14.3 miles at Crumble Cookie. And I will crumble this order right up and hit the decline button, because that is a trash offer right there. Never take offers like that. Don't you just hate it when you see offers that's upside down? It's more mileage on the total offer than it is dollars paying out. We got $5.75 for 9 miles. Taking you all the way up out of your zone, not making no money. It's basically a waste of time. Look at him, he got that platinum status. You finna take that? Go ahead, get it, man, get it. Woo-hoo-hoo! All turkeys just crossing the road. Baby turkeys. That's wild. They dipped. So this is going to be test number 2 of me trying out recording with this phone. Now I got it turned horizontally, so maybe that'll fix my aspect ratio when I'm looking at this. And doing a little Walmart spark order. I'm in this elevator. It got a whole seat. I've never been in the elevator with a seat. This is crazy. Anybody ever sat down in the elevator before? This is a first for me. Let's get this spark order dropped off. Yes, they want to let me out the elevator. Sir. It is. Okay, there we go. Let's get this dropped off. Where are we going? We are going. I always make sure I let my third row seats down before I do any pickups. And sometimes you have to move your delivery totes out the way. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 cases of water going right here to this business now. This is going to be easy work. Even if this would have been an apartment delivery. Absolutely. Bring them in where? Right inside the door. The 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 waters. These customers be trying to play games like they don't know. We don't make no money. So look, we got all of those dropped off. Been on this order for about 10 minutes. Got my picture verification. Easy $8 as long as you got the endurance. You got to be prepared to possibly go into apartment buildings or up some stairs. But overall, I'm going to take an order like that because it's easy. It's easy workflow. Yes, I'm going to break a sweat. Whew. Whew. But you know what? With the mileage, 0.5 of a mile, right? I'm still by Sam's Club. That order just keeps my wheels rolling. Yeah, it was some heavy stuff. I didn't have to wait that long, so I love it. Let me know you take an offer like that. All right, so DoorDash finally sent me my first offer, guys. $6.50 for 4.4 miles. Who do I look like? No, I'm not taking that. The hell no. I am gold tier, DoorDash. If you're not sending me no gold offer, goodbye. Because I'm not doing that. So yes, we finna decline that with the quickness. And let's see what they send me next. Alright, listen. DoorDash, you got me messed up. Look, I've been out here for a whole hour now. And you send me that one order. Now, I got my next order. It's $5 for 1 mile. And I got an add-on too when I pulled up. We got an additional $6 plus. And that's great. But I've been out here for a full hour already. A full hour, DoorDash. This is why I don't give you more of my time, because you be out here playing games. It ain't no way it wasn't no more orders out here. But since I declined that first one, right? You said you're gonna make me suffer. You're gonna make me suffer and make me wait a whole nother, I don't know how long to get my next offer. You know what? That's cool. This is why I'm gonna be using you less and less. So you know what? It's good. I'm gonna do these 2 offers. I'm gonna knock them out. And once I get done, I'm heading home and I'm smoking the blunt. Stop playing with me, DoorDash. I'll try again later on, but you got me messed up. You're not about to have me out here just declining orders in the parking lot. I'll go do something else. Let me know when you got good orders for me again.